They're dried out?
Down in the valley. Yeah, the ones that were like a hill flattened out.
Yeah. Where's the first one for the backside?
This one's still like this.
Back there.
I'm pretty sure. There's more stuff.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Let me in your treehouse.
No.
Huh? Welcome back to the Quarantine Treehouse Build vlog number 4. Today is going to be the siding. We're going to get the rough cut horizontal lap siding on and get it wrapped around, get it nailed up, and hopefully get this thing really dried in. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's rock and roll.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
I don't even get how this is the siding. This is way too big for the siding.
Welcome back to workday number 2 on part 4 of the quarantine treehouse build. We took about a 2-week break. I'll explain that at the end of this video. What we had going on, lots of changes coming to the farm, but we will go over that shortly. You boys ready to get started? All right, the goal today is to get the rest of our woodcut walls up. All right, so we're about to start on this last sidewall, and we ran a little bit short on our rough cut lumber. So I'm gonna double stud this wall right here, and that way we'll have a joint of our rough cut, and we'll just kind of, piece it in as we go. So this far side that you don't really see that much it'll have a joint going up with a double stud on the siding, on the rough cut material. That way you don't have to make another run to get more. So that's what we're doing now. We're gonna knock these studs in. It's gonna be our double stud right here. All right. Who's got my hammer? All right, Wyatt, you ready? The last day on the treehouse. What do you think? You out here working, cleaning up?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you clean the floor up?
I'm just cleaning.
Looks pretty cool, dude. Got the window inside of the siding. We got one wall left. Maybe a door and the eaves. Alright, so work day number 3 on part 4 of the treehouse build, and this will be the last episode for this treehouse build. So, you ready to get started? Let's do it! building the treehouse, Memphis?
Daddy, I learned perseverance. I learned perseverance. I can't say it.
Perseverance.
I learned perseverance because every time something happened, we wouldn't stop building the treehouse.
That's good.
Sup?
What'd you learn building a treehouse?
That my daddy's the best dad in the world.
Say hi. Say hi. Alright guys, that is the last episode for this treehouse build. I know it's not complete. It's still missing a door and a little bit of gable work and a little bit of trim work, but the reason we are stopping it and leaving it there is so the new owner can build the door how they want and do the other stuff how they want, because we are selling our farm. It was kind of unexpected and a lot sooner than we planned, but a new property, a little bit bigger farm, and a little bit further north where we were always kind of wanting to go but could just never afford it, came on the market, and we went and looked at it, and everything, all the signs and everything we prayed about just kind of pointed us in that direction, and everything started rolling, and we got our house market ready in 2 weeks, got it listed, busted our butts getting our house ready for the market. It hit the market, we went under contract in less than 24 hours, so everything was kind of geared our way on this one, and kind of actually worked with us instead of against us, how it usually goes. So we are going to be moving in 30 days to a new farm, a little bit bigger, a little more acreage, a little further north from the town we live in now, so a little less population. So that being said, there will be a new treehouse build on the new property now, starting over. We learned a lot from this one, which is good, so now the next one should be a lot easier, right? But this one, as fun as it was, is coming to an interesting end that was not planned. But thank you guys for all the support, likes, the comments, the subs, everything. It was awesome. The boys enjoyed it. Starting this whole YouTube thing, and then with the treehouse build. It was fun. The whole family enjoyed it. But also, you guys stay tuned for the next treehouse build that'll be coming along shortly. As always, thank you guys for the support. Stay healthy, and we'll see you on the next build.